What is going on, everybody? So just got this in the mail. This is the Cocopar, or I don't know how you say this, but basically I got an external monitor, a portable monitor, something that I can use for traveling. I was looking at adding another monitor to my desk setup, but then I kind of thought about it, and basically with the Prime deals that were going on, this was a little bit cheaper. Not cheaper than a standalone monitor. A standalone monitor was probably still cheaper, but this was cheaper than its base price was. And so I just wanted to take the opportunity. I was actually on the hunt for an external monitor. This one seemed to get pretty good reviews. It does have the Freesync technology, so I shouldn't have any lag going from screen to screen. And then after a while I thought about it and I said, well, instead of getting a third monitor for my setup, because there's just very seldomly in the morning that I actually would benefit from that third monitor, that maybe I'll just get a portable monitor, and I can set it up on my I can have it set up as a a standalone monitor, but then when I want to travel I can unplug and take it with me and travel, which is really what the entire thing was for. So basically we're gonna unbox this guy and go from there. So this thing, like I said, it just came in the mail. And I have absolutely no idea what this... Oh, it looks like there's another one. So right there you can see Type C is how we're going to connect it in. An HDR display. So it wasn't a 4K or a 5K, but I have a 5K monitor for my iMac, of course, and I really don't see that it's that big of a deal. I'm not using it for gaming or anything else, but here's the device itself. Well, this thing is bigger than my actual screen. So here we go. I can tell you what, just picking it up, this thing is very lightweight. I'm wondering if this is the monitor or if this is just the case. We're gonna put this aside for just a second. So basically this is what it's looking like. Okay, it looks like it's coming with a screen protector. Okay, so right there, it looks like it's coming with a screen protector. It looks like it might actually be coming with two screen protectors. I'll have to read onto that. Maybe it's, I don't know, maybe that's not a good sign. Maybe they're expecting the screen to be crap, and that's why they're giving you multiple screen protectors. Little manual there. I'm a guy, like most guys, we don't read these manuals. Comes with just a standard wall charger. Looks like a screen cleaner and hard foam pad to help prevent the screen cleaner from getting, or the screen from getting any bubbles. So there's two in there. There's two of these as well. So I don't know, maybe they're either, again, they're planning on this being a really bad screen, or maybe one's for the front and one's for the back, just for a scratch resistant pad. Or maybe somebody screwed up and gave me two. To be determined. It looks like right here we just have your standard USB-C to USB-A cable. So I've got thousands of these, but I do appreciate you giving me one. USB-C to USB-C, so this is probably the quickest dock I'd use from computer. And then it looks like it also comes with, ooh, that looks like a mini HDMI. I'm gonna open this one up, and I don't know if that's mini HDMI or USB-A, but no, it's a mini HDMI. If anyone's familiar, some of the old tablets would use those as compared to the standard HDMI side. I don't know if the camera is able to pick up that angle, but so we've got a mini to the standard HDMI port size. So okay, let's pop a look at this screen real quick, and in a second I'm going to fire it up and then make sure that there's we'll kind of fire it up in a second and then we'll get it going. So it looks like, it feels like there's a case on it. Never actually done one of these unboxing videos, so it's if I'm terrible at it, let me know in the comments, and I promise I really won't care if I'm that bad, because I don't know if I'll be doing any more. But oh, look at that, it does. It comes with one of those magnetic cases. If you have an iPad, which I do, these are kind of like the old style cases they had back in the day. Oh, I tell you, that looks sharp. It came in black and it came in silver, and you know, I believe I got silver. I think it was like $8 cheaper to get silver. Yeah, so I got silver. You can see this would have been black, and although to be fair, I did actually think the black looked nicer. It was $8 cheaper, and well, I'll take the $8 just for a color, because I'm a guy and I really don't care how the colors look as long as it functions pretty well. And then it looks like it's actually got some screws back here, presumably for a dock of some sort. I wonder if this is a... I've never seen a VESA mount that only has 2 screws instead of 4, but maybe there's like a connector pin that allows it to be mounted. And if that's the case, that would be even better. Something like kind of like a secret win, because then I'm going to be able to you know, mount it to the wall or mount it somewhere and then get it. So basically from here, let me see if I can get these to... what you can't see is this is a USB-C, USB-C, and the HDMI port, and then over here is just a volume, and then just the standard power on button. So I'm going to pause this, we're going to go set it up, and we'll take a look and see how it looks, okay? Alright, what's going on, everybody? So now that I have this external monitor unboxed, I do want to review how happy I am with it. So right now this is currently set up to the iMac setup. The MacBook Pro, this is separate, nothing is attached to it. And so I just want to show you how seemingly this thing connects. And I will, you know, I don't have it set on either one of these systems. They're both set to their native Mac OS. I don't have them set to Windows based, but I will just, you know, clarify that they both connect just as fast with the Mac side as they do with the Apple side. So, you know, coming over here, I have this screen just set up on a lateral move, so you can kind of see it move from left to right really quick. So if you just hold just a second, and let me, you know, I got to disconnect it from the back. Careful not to disconnect everything, because it is a pain in the butt. Not this, all my other stuff I'm connected. So basically take the USB-C, gonna plug it in here. This thing will probably flash for a second or two, and then you will see this extend. You'll probably just see my background display over here. So boom, right there, it's up. And I think this is just natively up on the left, so you can see there, I mean, how quick and how crisp that image looks. It looks very, very nice. So that's basically it. The thing, it's snappy, it works very, very well. I'm very, very happy with it. I'm gonna plug it back into my other side. But that is it. You know, I love the fact that it's portable, it's mobile, it's actually bigger than my screen. The reason I went bigger, if anybody's wondering, is, you know, one day I do think I'm going to switch from the 13-inch MacBook back to, or not back to, but to the bigger size, to the 16-inch. And so I wanted to, you know, that to be a little more, you know, sizable. It was cheaper to get the 13 or 14-inch screen, so I decided to go with that. And you know, with trading with other things, you know, screen real estate is always a good thing. So I'm not disappointed with it at all. Actually really happy with the size. So super lightweight, it's portable. Can't wait to take this thing through security and make sure I don't have any problems. But that's it. If you have any questions, reach out in the comment section, and thank you so much for watching.